At a recent meeting with reporters, the MLA of West Shillong Constituency, Mohendro Rapsang, had cited reasons as to why he has officially joined the NPP bandwagon. While stating that he has been a congressman all throughout and had won the MLA seat from the party, Mohendro Rapsang had made certain clarifications on his stand in joining the National People's Party. Referring to the NPP as a People's Party, Rapsang said that the programs of the particular party for the past 5 years are people-friendly and therefore his joining the NPP will bring further development to the 18 West Shillong constituency.
Tingamban siya bungan jit ya ka seng NPP. Namarbahan naka UDP ro amlong bali election. Ladon candidate naga BJP ro amlong jala election ladon candidate. Nigwegi party ladon lagi jong candidate. Kabalong free walai but kiba. You wear nga ban join this strong NPP. Tinga lek bani kendu iki painba ngali kendu iki party worker junga ki ITB hanga. Ba finjit ikut menung party tengah jit ke NPP. Kau penlong yang akan join ni kan NPP kalau ha kene kajing don jong kene ka party but the program gini sans nem kalau ya kene state jungi mangi iba kene ka pro people programs but kene ka party kalau pro people but kalau light minded party nak tak ada serung ha kene ka party